Ang keyword natin dito, first is breastfeeding. Future ends, pinaka-general rule natin, kapag breastfeeding mother and contraceptive ang pinag-uusapan, bawal na bawal sa kanila ang estrogens. For example, COC, that's a no-no guys because it can suppress breast milk production. So yung mother kasi dito ay breastfeeding daw. And gusto niya yung kanyang birth control ay hindi maka-affect sa kanyang breastfeeding. So letter A eliminated, combined or contraceptive because COC has estrogen guys. So letter B, copper IUD. Wala namang estrogen ang copper IUD guys. Let's consider it muna ha. So babalikan natin ng letter B, copper IUD. Progestin only pills. Pwede. Okay? Progestin guys, yung progesterone, hindi siya nakaka-interrupt sa breastfeeding. Okay? Hindi siya nakaka-interrupt sa breast milk production. Or letter D, vaginal ring. Guys, vaginal ring is hormonal, no? Hormonal rin siya guys. And vaginal ring, meron siyang estrogen na content. So yes, D is eliminated dahil meron siyang estrogen. Letter B or C na lang pagpipilian natin. So unang-una, future ends, kapag sinasabi kasi nating ideal, ang pinakaunang consideration natin ay simplest. Pangalawa, safest. At yung pinaka-important, hindi invasive kay mother. So yes, ang magiging tamang sagot natin dito ay letter C, progestin only pill. Okay? At isa na lang future ends, idadagdag na lang natin, pag marinig niyo yung contraceptive patch, bawal din yun sa mga breastfeeding mother because meron din yun silang estrogens. No? So, yun lang. God bless. Always do your best.